Happy morning. Welcome to Entrepreneurship Vertical, the course code CV22026, course name Design Thinking and Human Centered Design. Last video lecture, we studied many case studies. The case study basically towards human centric. We are more concentration for human problems. By this design thinking, we are taking the problem. By the technological application, we are taking for further movement. Coming to the picture, here, case study involved many problems how to approach. This discussion focus on major definition, ways to approach design thinking process in the society. This is able to understand by means of few suitable example. This course basically offered for undergraduate students, that to technology based students, focusing our own geographical area. Instead of thinking somewhere else, somewhere other author is given suitable example here. Because that example will applicable for that place. Here we need to understand our geographical area problem ending with satisfied life of the public, comfortable life, long life without any major problem, particularly in the health sector. So major concentration still in the rural area, the poverty, hunger index, proper drinking water, still lack of electricity, road connectivity, education, skill. If you are going to this way, automatically the public will focus on their path for the development. This makes our country development. If you concentrate in the village, that process makes suitable sense for economical development. Many times I have pointed this 50 percentage of people living in the rural area, that means 96 percentage of the landscape in our India occupied by these people. Remaining 4 percentage land area occupied by remaining 50 percentage. The problem we are taking, if we are taking a rural side sense, that is a different angle. Here in the city, that is a problem is different. So the country development mainly focus on public, people, comfortable life and economically beautiful. This is possible by means of improvising per capita income. Our India top in 5 in the GDP, but per capita income is very low. Here per capita income sense, individual person earning capacity per day very less. We need to work on this area to improvising the per capita income for our public, particularly in the rural area. In this sense, we'll have some innovation in the rural area. We like to thank RTBI for supporting rural people with top technology. Based on the training, we are taking the same thing and take this value into our system. Now, this video lecture focus on particularly definition of design thinking in the human-centered way. Number 2, very important, how can we concentrate with suitable place where we want to improve their livelihood. Then example with technology-based study. Now we will see the definition. Human-centered innovation focus on deeply understanding and addressing real human need. Many people They want a small thing. They are not able to get. With leading example include adaptive AI, accessible design, affordable healthcare, innovative community, and empowered employees. So we need to concentrate many things for human comfort. We'll focus on human centered. Our innovation focus deeply understanding and addressing real human need with leading example. We are applying AI for rural people development. Latest design for public healthcare products that to affordable price. Innovative communication and connectivity from the technology person to the rural area. That makes many sense. Now we will see principle of human-centered design. In the first unit, we covered many things related to human-centered design principle. Here, we concentrate four major human-centered design principle. First principle, people-centered, not based on money, not based on one particular area people. We cover all people-centered. In the people, there are many problems they have. From that, we want to solve which one is prioritized more. That is a major role in the design thinking process. We are taking survey various empathetic techniques, understanding the public problem, arrange the problem first. Arranging the problem in order, we want to prioritize the topmost one, which one is the more serious. Many times people concentrate a problem solution, problem solving, which one is comfort for themselves. I am having good knowledge in here, I will take this problem, that is good. But in holistic thinking, we need to address on prioritize. If you are not able to solve the problem, we want to connect people, right time, right economical condition. So second principle, very important, solve the right problem. Even sometimes governments makes the problem discussion, they are solving the problem, which one is very important, but sometimes they are taking it what is not important also. So second principle always major, the major issue we want to solve. If you solve that major issue, remaining thing will see minor. That's why we are classifying the second principle. Solve the right problem, we are classifying two ways, a major problem and a minor problem. If you concentrate a major problem, the people themselves will solve the minor problem. So, simple way, the school, government school helping the rural area people, they are giving education, government completely giving free education, afternoon food also they are giving. Now they are introducing morning food, but the people are away from the school, there is no proper transportation. This is a problem. After coming the school only, the students will take morning breakfast, afternoon lunch. In between, we have a classroom teaching learning. How they are coming, that itself a problem. How to solve this? While concentrating the children, the government school, they are providing the transport free. They are giving a free pass. But during the college time and school time, there is only one or two bus available. The crowd is very heavy. The people are not able to come inside the bus. So how to solve this problem? Then everything is a system. Sometimes we are going and taking the problem by design thinking. The main application we are concentrating the process step by step, systematic way. By means of systematic way, we want to solve the problem. Apply AI technique. We are taking rural area people. Why we want to give all in the systematic? This is not sensible question. We want to solve the problem in the systematic way. Then the small and simple connectivity. We need to give a solution, but simpler way, with simple and smaller way. With this four principle, with the five step, we will solve human-centered design thinking. Fourth principle, humans, public people centered, solve the right problem, everything in the systematic way, simple and small interaction. Now coming to the step, we have a empathize, then define, ideate, then we have a fourth important step, prototyping, finally testing. With the five steps, four principle, when you enter a human-centric problem, definitely you will have right sense. Now, we will see how to enter human-centric design thinking. Now, we have a risk. We have a risk one side using artificial intelligence, human-centric problem you are taking. Finally, we are getting a result. How we are taking. One end, we have a different discrimination, violation. We have a black box model. Using AI technique, we are considering algorithmic transparency, human understandable explanation. We are applying some AI tool for mainly algorithm. For suitable example, natural calamities we cannot immediately sense. Using some AI tools and the latest technology advancement, we can predict at the same time we will inform the people where they need, then we will safeguard the people for next level. So latest technology tool, AI tool, we are making suitable information for the betterment. Now we have a technology innovation. We'll have a overview of technology innovation and suitable example. Technology innovation involves the exploration and application of new concept, method, technology to solve problem, meet evolving needs, unlock new opportunity. It drives progress and can lead to increased efficiency, productivity, and competitiveness, as well as economical transformation on local, regional, and global scale. Now, the technological innovation involves the exploration and application of new concept, method, and technology to solve the problem. Now, we are taking the society problem with the artificial intelligence. We are approaching how to get a suitable design. Then we have some battery vehicle. These are good example given. So think another few important problem. So what I want to conclude here, once again, why we need e-vehicle, electric vehicle. The problem in the city side, we have a people, large strength, we are unable to provide proper facility. The pollution itself a major problem in the society, particularly in the city area. The problem in the city area, people are affordable, they are having a vehicle, individual vehicle. Sometime per family, they are able to buy two cars. With that, the pollution is major. How to solve this problem by design thinking approach? First, we need to understand really the pollutant percentages are more. We want to understand by technology based testing what is the carbon dioxide content, what amount of carbon monoxide present, what are the percentage of nitrogen compound present in the fresh air. If you are able to understand this, we are taking this issue whether it's acceptable or not. What are the people connected with this? First, environmental people. Those who are having study, environmental study. Then we are taking this is applicable with good doctor. Those the fresh air, what is the acceptable condition of air, particularly the human being can breathe. What our World Health Organization says, the condition of breathing fresh air, this much content is permittable. Based on that, we want to recommend. If it is higher, what are the things we need to adapt? The pollution reason for more vehicle. The vehicle number is very high in the area where in the highly populated places, cities. For example, Delhi. Now, what way we can control this? We can announce the public, use vehicle wherever you want. Sometimes the people are traveling by car for single baby. The way and which they are utilizing that vehicle. Affordable is not an important matter. The taking their son or daughter with the five-seater car, what way it's applicable. This is one way. Another one, ask almost people use public transport, metro, town buses, auto, share auto. These are applicable for transportation, encouraging the people to go by government public transport. That's why Tamil Nadu government introducing after 60, elderly people can travel in the town bus without ticket money. That means the encouragement of people to go this bus. Another way, the company, multinational company, if they are running more than 200 employees, they are running their own bus. That is a common transport arrangement. The government giving a policy for the industries, you run your own bus. Because of that, the employees won't take their own transport. 50 people, company, they are in the top position, they are running 50 different cars. That means what is the pollution? Instead of 50 persons coming with a different mode of transport, individual transport, if we arrange one single bus, that will reduce the entire pollution. Similarly, we will analyze why the pollutant percentage is more. In the automotive research, how to reduce the pollutant percentage by means of using suitable fuel. Ethanol based fuel by research says lesser pollutant compared with the petrol and diesel. Is it possible to utilize ethanol but cost wise very high? So what are the ways we want to reduce the percentage of pollution? In this research continuously ending with suitable technology, EV, electric vehicle, battery powered vehicle. Based on that electric vehicle charging the battery. Now many people asking question, we are producing electricity, we are running a thermal plant, there is a pollution. But that pollutant will not affect people because percentage in that area is very less. So one area is suitable, another area is not suitable. We want to safeguard this area by means of applying many thinking towards reduce the pollution by means of e-vehicle. That's why in the sticker we have the green sticker, no pollution. Similarly, bigger institutions like Indian Institute of Technology, inside the campus, they want a green campus. They are cultivating trees. Based on that, we can reduce the pollution. Meanwhile, inside the campus, only faculty member can use the vehicle. Others, they are encouraging by two-wheeler, but not a bike. This is powered vehicle, human powered vehicle, bicycle. Now, we are encouraging people by means of some policy, rules, regulation. In this sense, we can take right sense by means of design thinking. When the people will understand this, we need proper innovation. We want to give a suitable result by which this is correct, this is not applicable, this is not affordable. By way of this is very, very difficult. Kindly understand these things. This result says this. We want a clear design thinking process, the problem, what is the solution for that. With you are solving the problem, we can achieve this. Without that, what will happen? This is a suitable example I narrate. Another one, artificial intelligence. Advanced computing system and algorithm that can learn, reason and enable automation. Because of automation, sometime manpower reduction is possible. The people asking more question, if you fully automated, there is no requirement of human being intervention with that, then what is the employment of human being? Now, we are in one particular skill. Introducing artificial intelligence, we are changing the scenario. The skill level is changing. These people are working for development of artificial intelligence. We will go for some other way. This is the technological development. The people instead of one area, they are working some other area for that development. Here is not comfortable, here more comfortable. So this way we want to go for advancement. Previously, the industry, the more people coming under the single roof with the hard working. Now, semiconductor with the devices development. We concentrate on semiconductor development, the device development. The people skill is different, but job is always there. In this sense, only we need to approach. Now, we'll have important social innovation. We have different social innovation, microfinance, social entrepreneurship, open source software, renewable energy, social impact bonds, digital platform for social change, social innovation lab. Then we have many more examples related to this. Now I want to give one suitable example, microfinance. What is meant by microfinance? How it is taking design thinking process in the rural area. Now we will concentrate rural area people livelihood. We need to improve per capita income for the people. How we can take this? The people are ready to work. We need to give opportunity. How to give opportunity? They are living with the area, but the transportation itself major problem. We need to help the development of their skill set. We are going and giving training for them, which one is their interest. Based on that, we will take that society into next level. For that improvement, we are giving training by means of incubation. We are giving training. In our Entrepreneur Promotion Incubation Center, SVCE, EPIC, every year we are running the technology-based training program for rural people, particularly women. WEDP, Women Entrepreneurship Development Program. Based on the development program, we are upgrading their skilling. Based on the skilling, they will start their own venture, a small shop, sometime tailoring, sometime the groundnut oil, natural oil. If they know embroidery, they go for embroidery. Then which one is their comfortable? For that, we are giving a special training, and if you want to make some advancement in the system, start from language, communication language, end with the bank loan, we are giving training for development. Now coming to the point, microfinance, how it is helping. If they are undergone the training, they want to start new enterprises, they want a small amount of money, maybe 2 to 5 lakhs. That time, we will arrange the small finance by means of banking. We are helping to write a appraisal, their own self-appraisal, and writing a proposal to the bank, which one is our known area, what is the business plan, how to write business plan. We are teaching in the regular training program, making the people take their own idea and their ability to show in the banker, believing that banker giving 2 to 5 lakhs with the subsidy of women 25% of subsidy. They are giving a loan based on that amount. They are starting their own business. For example, in Chennai, the microfinance name Magashamam. This microfinance Magasamam helping a poor people, particularly women, they are giving a small amount. With that, they will do some business. Based on that, they earn, then return back the money. Because of that, their livelihood is improvising. So understand the people, we encourage the people, we involve the people based on our technology, we are improvising their level by means of technology. The objective of this course, taking our engineering technology to the people, particularly in the rural side of development, by means of developing their livelihood and improving their livelihood as well as our economical condition also. Based on the per capita income of our country will improve. Now, many social enterprises coming forward to do many important things. The social entrepreneurship, many multinational company coming forward to encourage our people by means of CSR component, social responsibility, corporate social responsibility. They are coming through the sometime in the incubation center. They are giving some condition. If you are working these people, we are able to give CSR funding. Based on that, their livelihood will make it to next level. Where is the problem in this development? We need to approach the people, express about our technology. We want to improve the technology improvement. We want to encourage the people. That is a major challenge in this channel. The people will not understand easily. We need to go, we want to speak in their own mother language. We want to mix and mingle with them. That's why we need more empathetic technique. The empathetic technique by means of seeing, feeling, thinking, hearing, we need to approach our social problem. Based on that, we will have some knowledge. Many corporate coming through the corporate social responsibility coming to the rural people for education. What that multinational company thinking, if we are giving good education to the people, automatically the transformation will occur easily. That is really good. So you want to take what are the opportunities available in the India to the rural people. For example, many institutions like IIT, NIT, IIIT, they are giving good education, but it will applicable only for the city background student. It will not go for rural area people. If we are in the social concern, if we take that is a major problem, we'll take this information to them how to enter into IIT, NIT, and IIIT. What are the formalities? What is the syllabus? What are the examination details? When it will come? If you understand this problem, it will helpful for your near future. With this, we will conclude the case study with suitable example like Mahashemam, another one self-help group. Then we'll have many social enterprises like Aravind Eye Hospital. Now, we'll conclude this section. We'll continue the video lecture, third unit with this. Thank you once again for your patient listening. Thank you.